Hey, this is Nikki from Off Grid Style. How are you today? We are at the cabin, and we're at the cabin because, first of all, we haven't been here for a little while, and we needed to come up and check on everything. Also, we are showing you this really awesome new solar bank system that we have gotten. This is from Allpower, and this is just the coolest thing ever, and you're going to see all the amazing features that this can do. Let's get started.
This Allpowers S200 solar bank kit comes with the 60-watt solar panel. There is a 100-watt solar panel available as well.
It is amazing up here with us being off grid how wonderful this product is. We have used it for a while now, and I'm here to tell you all about it. So when you get the kit, which the link to the kit is in my description, and also a discount if you're interested in this or any other product they might have at Allpowers. You get the kit, you get the power bank, and you get the solar panel with it. And I'm going to demo all that for you today. So this solar generator kit is about 3 pounds. It's weighing about 3 pounds. As you can see, it's probably in total maybe 4 inches wide, about 11 inches long, and roughly 8 inches in depth, or in width, I should say.
Here you can see the ability to charge devices directly from the solar panel. As you can see, charging the solar panel is super easy. You just put it in the sun, whether you decide to hang it up or lay it flat. One of the accessories you get is a cord that you plug into the power bank and then into the solar panel to charge the power bank. Here's what the solar panel looks like hanging up. It is waterproof as well, but remember the output port is not.
Okay, so I wanted to show you everything you get with this and what it does. It's pretty darn awesome. So you get, obviously this is the power bank, and it holds, it can do up to 200 watts of charging, whether that's with one item or 5 items, because you can charge up to 5 items. It can do up to 200 watts of charging. If you put any more than that on it, it will automatically shut off. It's got a shut off to protect the machine, which is great because that means you're not going to damage it, which I would probably end up doing. So you get an AC adapter with a plug to plug in to the side right there. If you want to charge it via a wall charge, which I did the very first time after I got it. The average time, they say, is about 2 to 2.5 hours. It took a little over 3.5 for me the first time I charged it, but it was completely dead. Now I charged it again a second time, and it was much closer to what they say it is. It was roughly 2 hours. You get all kinds of adapters, which are really cool for different things you might need. And you also get the little hooks that you can hang the solar panel up with. You get, this is the cords to plug the solar panel into this power bank to get power back into your power bank or your inverter. And then you also get instructions, which are always a good thing. So I wanted to go over a few of the features of this. I will show you a close-up, a super close-up, so you can see this really well. You have 2 AC plugs, which you can plug anything into that's less than 200 watts, obviously, because that is the max that this will take. It also has 2 USB ports that you can charge things with, and it has a Type-C port here on the side. These are your 2 buttons for charging via AC here, and also charging via USB here. So you also have wireless charging on here, which is pretty darn awesome. All right, now I'm going to show you some of the things that you can charge with this particular power bank, which is actually a lot of different stuff and a lot of different stuff at the same time. First and foremost, of course, you have the wireless. And you really don't have to do anything for the wireless. You just literally starting to charge already. One thing to note, when it is in charge mode, that little red light down there comes on, and it will stay on. If you want to see what's going on, you just hit the button here, and I'm going to pull this up so you can see.
As you can see, the digital readout shows you how much of a charge you have left. how much is coming in through input, and how much is going out via USB and AC power. The amount of hours left that the unit will charge for will also change depending on what you have plugged in and charging. Here is our wall of solar panels. Each of these panels is 255 watts, and we have 16 of them. They hook into a 5600 watt inverter, which sounds like a lot until it's summer and you have the mini split AC running because it's 98 degrees out. At that point, every watt counts, which is why this all-power solar bank kit is such a great find.
Okay, I will caution you up front, most of the items I'm about to plug in were dead. So here is one of my flashlights that also has a solar ability. And this was dead prior to me plugging it in here right now. And I'm going to plug it in. And then I'm going to come over here to the side and I'm going to hit the USB out. And that will begin charging this light. Next on our list, and this is actually a very handy one, is a rechargeable battery charger. Just something different and creative, but something that you definitely need to charge, and this will do that for you. So I'm going to plug it in, and then this one, come over to the side and you're going to hit the AC button, and then you'll see this number go down as it's saying how many hours of runtime you have to keep this going. And I'll show you what the battery bank looks like. And then here's the battery bank showing that they're charging. You can go ahead and put a full one in here. I only had 6 batteries with me up here, so there obviously you can fill it all the way through. All right, so now I have all of these things charging right now. Every single one of these things is charging. And there goes my phone. So that is 1, 2. The lamp is also here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's the lamp with the light on. That is plugged in here as well. The laptop is charging. And as you can see, this dead lamp now has power. And this lamp here now has power. And power this way as well. So I am charging 5 different devices right now. A laptop, a lantern lamp, a regular handheld lamp, or flashlight I should say, flashlight. And over here I'm charging or have a lamp plugged in. So this is how you can see how you can actually put this beside your bed or when you're out camping and have all of these things running at once. That's pretty darn awesome, if I say so myself. This is pretty cool. I love this thing. I did want to also show you with all of these things plugged in that you see here, which is 5 different items. I also want to show you that it says that it will run for 4.3 hours with all of these items. So if you had things that were not chargeable, like let's say this lamp over here, and you wanted to have your laptop was dead, but you wanted to go on it, whatever it might be, you've got 4.3 hours of power running all 5 of these items. Obviously, if you're only running 1 or 2, then you're going to have, I believe, if I'm just running a light or charging my phone, it's like 14 hours of juice that I have in here if I'm doing one of those things. It will charge a phone approximately, the specs on the product say that it'll charge it for 14 times. I found it was anywhere from 13 to 15. I tried it twice. One time was 13, one time was 15 times. And that was letting the battery run all the way down to below 10% and then charging it up. It also will charge an iPad 8 times, roughly. It was 7 times the one time I did it, and a little over 7 times the second one because I didn't let it drain all the way down. Laptop, it charged my laptop 3 different times from completely dead all the way back up again. So it definitely does its job. It will do everything you need it to do.
Allpowers is a Chinese company with 50 patents pending currently. They have a warehouse and location in California, and shipping is quick to virtually anywhere in the world. Their customer service is through email. I can say that my experience with them has always been prompt. All products do come with a warranty.
So there you have it. There is all the information you could possibly need on this All Powers solar panel kit. It is amazing. And I definitely recommend that you check them out. It's a huge company and they've been around since 2010. They've been around forever. And they are offering a discount to you. Just use the coupon code that's listed down in the description and check out what they have. You may find something that you need, or like I showed you today, something that you hadn't thought about, or perhaps something you want to keep for an emergency situation. Thanks very much. I'll talk to you soon.